Okay, this left side's gonna be deeper. We should be okay though. Oh, Mr. Cottonmouth, where are you? I want you to show your face. I'd like to see your mouth, that cotton mouth. But at a distance, please. I've got zoom on the camera, so you can show me your mouth at a safe distance. Now look at the trash. It's not as bad as where we've been, but I don't know what in the world's wrong with people. It's just not hard to take your trash with you. It just isn't. There's just no excuse for it other than just slap sorriness. Now the only thing I can say about that, they got a trash can over there, but it hasn't been emptied. It's full. I guess people have made an attempt, or a lot of them have anyway. And they may have taken the trash over there and the wind blew it out. I don't know. Look at that black water. Boy, it is pretty. And that artesian well over there. I'll see that. I'll see that artesian well. Look at it bubbling under the water ground right there. Okay, let's turn stuff off and see what we can get into. Yeah, see the left door is okay. I backed into the tree with that right door. I think I hit it right up there and knocked it cattywampus out there. Don't know what it's going to take to get it back, but whatever it takes, that's what we'll have to do. Okay, look at this black water. Let's go over here and let's check out the temperature. It's going to be warmer. All of this water, it's not going to be as cold, I don't think. Look at that black water reflection. Let's get over here and shoot the water. "63 degrees. Well, it's still cooler than what I said. I said 68. What did y'all say? Delicious artesian well. Okay. There's a landing over there. And see, out there where that edge, that point is out there, that's usually where the beach starts, and it usually goes out 20 yards from there. There's a lot of water, but you can tell it's been a lot higher. All of this was underwater just recently. So it's been a lot higher. Look at this water. Boy, this is beautiful water, isn't it? You know, it's dark, but it's clear. I need to get that camera. Stick it into agua. Boy, this is slick. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. If you don't believe that stuff is slick, you just come down here and step in it. Look at that mirror reflection. I didn't even think about bringing the Osmo that I've got mounted on the selfie stick. Thing is, this water is so black we can't see. Be very treacherous footing walking out through there. Let's see what the main body of water over here, the temperature. Boy, I tell you what, this is slick. I don't want to end up on my rump. I don't want to end up on my rump or stilts, because $62.7. We could walk in a little bit over there. Okay, let's cut it off. I sure would like to see a cut in my mouth, or a copperhead, or I'd really love to see an indigo snake. I've never seen one in the wild. Sure would like to see one of them. And between these bridges is sort of precarious. People throw stuff across over the side when they come across them. We'll get ourselves knocked out. Let's see if we can get out of here without breaking our silly neck. Ooh, it's slick. I don't even want to walk through that. Need to get this muck off our shoes now. We may take these shoes off and go barefooted back to the van. Go barefooted, get grounded. We need to be grounded. We need to get grounded. Okay, let's wrap this up. I guess we'll head back to Brunswick and figure out what we're going to do. We got time to make it back tonight. I just don't particularly want to drive till dark.